Did you know that nearly 30% of household water use goes to outdoor watering? Imagine cutting that down while keeping your garden lush and thriving. Welcome to today's video on water-wise gardening, where we explore smart ways to conserve water while still growing a beautiful and productive garden. If you love gardening and want to make the most of every drop, keep watching. One of the easiest ways to save water is by choosing plants that naturally thrive in dry conditions. Succulents, lavender, rosemary, and ornamental grasses are great choices. Native plants are also an excellent option because they are adapted to the local climate and require little to no extra watering once established. Look for varieties labeled as drought-resistant at your local nursery. Healthy soil holds moisture better, reducing the need for frequent watering. Add organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure and water retention. Mulching with wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves also helps keep the soil cool and prevents evaporation. A well-mulched garden can reduce water usage by up to 50%. Watering wisely means watering deeply but less frequently. This encourages deep root growth, making plants more drought-resistant. Here are a few key techniques. Water early in the morning or late in the evening to prevent evaporation. Use a drip irrigation system or soaker hoses instead of sprinklers to deliver water directly to the roots. Collect rainwater in barrels to use on your plants, cutting down on municipal water use. A great water-saving strategy is called hydrozoning. This means grouping plants with similar water needs together. High-water plants like vegetables should be planted separately from drought-tolerant plants. By doing this, you avoid overwatering plants that don't need much moisture, which saves water and prevents plant stress. Lawns are one of the biggest water consumers in any garden. Consider replacing part of your lawn with drought-tolerant ground covers, rock gardens, or native plant beds. If you must keep a lawn, choose drought-resistant grass varieties like Bermuda, zoysia, or buffalo grass. Mowing higher also helps retain moisture by providing shade to the soil. By following these water-wise gardening techniques, you can grow a vibrant, thriving garden while significantly reducing your water usage. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips from Amazing Garden. Happy gardening!